Hi guys! Balik na naman tayo sa Utang Bahay serye, and itong video na to ay part 7 and 8 dahil dalawang bahay ito. This house is a townhouse or yung magkakadikit na bahay. So sa isang araw na ito, chinek namin kasi may dalawang for sale dito sa isang townhouse na ito. Dalawang for sale, isang 300,000. This one is the 300,000. And later on the video is the 260, if I'm not mistaken, na townhouse. So itong townhouse na to, it has 5 rooms, 1.5 bath. So itong tinitingnan ko na to, itong unang video na to ay yung 5 rooms and 1 bath. So nakita nyo kanina yung living area. Ito yung half bath niya na malapit sa living area. So ito yung ground niya. No, not ground. First, ano ba yung tamang level 1 niya. Sa level 1, nandito ang kitchen, nandito yung half bath, living area, and yung entrance papuntang backyard and patio. So, pumunta muna kami sa mga rooms sa taas. So, sa taas may 3 rooms, may utility closet. So, spacious naman yung mga rooms niya. May closet din. So, maganda naman siya. Andito din pala yung full bath sa level 2 ng bahay. So, and this house are newly built. 2000 something built lang itong mga bahay na to. Kaya maganda pa yung niya. Yung structures niya. Ito yung utility closet. So ito yung another room. And ito yung full bath. Oh, sorry. This is a 4 bedroom, 1.5 bath lang pala. Hindi siya 5 rooms. So, ito yung full bath. May toilet, may sink, and may tub. Kaso kasi, sabi ko nga, townhouse to or yung mga magkakadikit na bahay. And itong bahay na to is nasa gitna. So, chinek lang namin siya. Alam na namin in the first place na hindi talaga ito yung mga gusto namin na bahay. Pero why not just check it, right? Kasi maganda rin siya. But then, itong location ng mga bahay na ito is not recommended by our realtor dahil yung surroundings niya is not in a good, outstanding reviews. So, ito yung kitchen. Ito yung dining. And ito yung kitchen niya. So far, maganda yung mga mga updated, yung appliances. And ito yung way papuntang backyard and patio. So, yan yung patio. And ito yung papuntang basement. Sa basement, nandito ang laundry and meron ding 2 rooms. So, ito yung laundry area. Ito yung isang room.
Oh, they're online selling maybe. Because there's costumes and
so, ginawa nilang, kung sino may nakatira dito before, ginawa mo na nilang storage room.
In the other one, right?
Yes. This was where the hot water tank and everything like that. So instead, because this was where that other bathroom was.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That's stuffy.
And ito yung isa pang room sa basement. So, ito yung door papuntang backyard nila. Actually, kaya ayaw kasi talaga namin ng townhouse or magkakadikit na bahay. Marami kasing cons, especially if you're living here in St. John's, Newfoundland during winter. Ang hirap dahil wala kang paglalagyanan ng mga snow mo pag nagplow ka. Hindi mo naman pwedeng ilagay sa kapitbahay. So, kailangan mo laging mag-hire ng collector ng snow, which is expensive din siya, 100 din per service. 100 Canadian dollars for service din. So, yun yung mga cons na iniisip namin pag ganitong bahay yung bibilhin. And aside from that, yun nga, hindi siya recommended nung realtor namin because of the location, yung reviews sa location na to. So, malapit kasi ito sa downtown and at the same time, malapit siya sa mga taong alam nyo na. There's I think there's a high percent of crime on this location. Kaya hindi siya talaga recommended ng realtor namin. Actually, kami lang yung nagpilit sa kanya na tignan lang ito. So, ito again, yung living area, maganda naman siya.
I'm gonna go out now. I can't breathe.
So, lumabas na tayo dito sa bahay na to. And maglalakad ka lang ng konti, nasa kabila niya yung isa pang for sale, yung mas mura. So, ito na siya. Itong red na bahay. So, magkatabi lang sila. Isang bahay lang ang pagitan nila. So, ito rin yung entrance.
So this is your washer dryer.
So, ito yung pagpasok mo, ito yung laundry na nila. Kung sa isang bahay, half bath yung nandyan, ito laundry area na nila ang meron agad. So, ang kinagandahan nito, bago lahat ng appliances. So, ang ganda niya. Then, much cheaper siya dun sa isang bahay. So, this is the kitchen. I think same pa rin sila ng layout ng isang bahay. But yeah, bago lahat ng appliances nito compare din sa isa.
Pretty good job after this evening, right? There's still what covers, no angles, but looks still nice. Oh yes, still nice covers, right? Goes well with my camera too.
Double door din yung fridge. So, ito ulit yung patio niya. Yan yung sa backyard mo. May allotted space ka lang for your backyard.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll move forward in a week or so, yeah.
Is this the red one or the...
Di lang kayo masyadong nakalabas kasi umuulan that time.
Right? Yes. This one is 345 the first time they posted this one.
And then they dropped it down to around 330-ish.
Wow.
That's why we got interested.
Yes.
Just in case
Actually,
that we weren't able to get the middle
frustrated
tone.
naman sa paghahanap ng bahay. So, consider ko na sana to. But then, sabi nga ng realtor namin, pag-isipan namin mabuti because the location itself is not a good one. So, pumunta kami sa taas to check for the bedrooms. And again, dito sa taas, nandito yung full bath. Yan yung full bath. Ito yung isang room.
Well, it's built
May closet
2001,
din.
so...
Yeah, pretty good.
I believe this is the master bedroom.
Yeah, it is. Unfortunately, no matches are bad because there's no full bath up there and full bath in the basement. You can come tell
Ito yung
us
full bath, may tub, sink, and toilet.
Right, this is like an older style, right?
Spacious din naman siya. Tsaka ang ganda kasi dahil bagong-bago pa talaga tong bahay na to. Newly painted, appliances
Yes, no, the white and
are
black goes together
it's
really
in
well.
new condition.
And this one also.
Kaya talaga i-consider na sana namin to before.
Yeah.
But then yun nga.
It's like really a new house.
Yeah, right? They did a pretty good job with it.
So dito, itong bahay na to, 3 ang room sa taas plus isang full bath sa taas. So, compared dun sa kabila, 2 rooms lang yung nasa taas tas full bath.
Not bad.
Ito, 3 ang room niya sa taas.
Yeah.
But I mean, that's modern, right?
Ang ganda pa ng floorings. Wood talaga siya. Tapos ang ganda ng kulay. So, ito yan yung kung gaano kalaki lang yung backyard dito sa mga townhouse na ito.
Same size as the other one, right?
Yeah. That's interesting. I don't know why they put the round screw in the middle of it. Oh.
And there's no leaking like
Walang any marks
dents
of leaks.
leaking.
Yun ang mga tinitingnan nila.
But I don't smell anything.
Yeah, no. It smells new.
But if you're going to put inspection in this one, they're gonna do everything right. They're gonna check everything.
Yeah. Let's go down. Lights. So Braden will not go back.
Yes. We're all good.
So ito, pupunta na kami sa basement.
What's this? Is it a speaker?
I think that's.
Looks like a speaker.
But it's a volume up down with music.
So I was gonna say, don't look like any kind of a detector.
No.
Yeah,
No.
probably speaker. I take it because I do believe that this was right for them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Smell of construction.
Yeah.
So, ang kinagandahan nitong bahay na to, compared dun sa isa, meron din siyang
storage.
toilet
Like-
dito sa baba.
Where's the light?
Ito yung utility room din nila, kung nasaan ang water heater. So parang storage room siya.
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
There's no shed actually.
Workstation over there.
Tapos yun, may CR sa baba, which is much nicer compared dun sa isa.
You got the dryer, washer and dryer.
May stand, shower, sink, and toilet din siya.
Oh.
So this is not full.
But
Yeah.
But
Kaya
You can take a
maganda.
this is what you call 3 pieces bath, right?
Yes. This should still be considered a full bathroom.
You know why I asked that one? Because yesterday when I'm looking at 399 in Conway Street,
Yes. Yeah.
in the basement there's 3 pieces, and they didn't show this in the picture.
Yeah.
So we start counting. What's the other?
Yeah.
Cloud said, "Is it the mirror?" And we start arguing.
I'll be honest. I think nobody even knows what a free
Three
piece
piece,
is. People just say it.
Then, ito yung isang room sa baba.
Sorry.
So, yun lang. Ito
Interesting.
kasi, itong bahay na to compared dun sa isa, isa lang ang room sa baba.
Oh, you
Yung
didn't
isa
check
ginawang
that
utility room.
If they have
Then,
this one up.
pero may CR, which is
You didn't
good.
check if they
Oh, you mean
Compared
for the
dun sa
table?
isa,
With the
na
technology now, you don't need it.
walang CR sa baba. So, para sa mga parang gustong ipa-upa, yung mga basement nila, maganda
They
na.
run
Oh.
Ito yung way papunta sa
And they
backyard.
would end up probably running it in right here, actually, to analyze.
So, yun lamang. But then, hindi namin tinuloy itong dalawa kasi nga talaga yung location itself niya ay hindi maganda. So, ayaw namin i-risk yung mga buhay namin. Dahil mas mura at mas bago tong build ng bahay na ito. So, isa yun sa mga tinitingnan namin, which is yun yung good thing dito sa realtor namin. Hindi siya basta-basta magbebenta ng bahay dahil gusto niya lang makabenta. So, he will make sure that it's acceptable to us, safe for us, and at the same time, kung yung mga checklist namin na sinabi namin sa kanya before is ma-achieve. So, kaya pinagsama ko na itong video na to for part 7 and 8. So, yun lamang. And malapit na tayo sa house, viewing ng house na binili namin. So, hopefully, tama ang naging decision namin compare sa lahat ng bahay na chinek namin. So, ayun lamang. Enjoy watching. Bye-bye.
Lights.